In this video, I'm going to show you how to save changes in Webador. Whenever you make any changes on your Webador website, such as editing text, updating images, or modifying buttons, those changes are not saved automatically. For example, if you edit the text in your banner, the changes will remain unsaved until you manually save them. To do this, click on the Save button located at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. If you try to move to another page or leave the editor without saving, Webador will display a warning message informing you that unsaved changes will be lost. When this message appears, never click on OK. Instead, click on Cancel to return to the editor, and then click the Save button at the bottom left-hand side of the screen to save your work properly. This saving process applies to every type of change you make on your website, whether it is a small text update or a major layout adjustment. Always make sure to save your work before navigating to another page or closing the editor to avoid losing any progress. And this is how you can save changes in Webador.